and welcome back YouTube to episode 2 of my track bike build series. Let's get this show started. Cue the music. So for today's episode, I don't know how far I'm going to get. I don't really have a plan. My plan is to take these wheels off first off, get them prepped for powder coating. I got a table full of Woodcraft parts, which is my rear sets, stator cover, crankcase cover, and I got some Vortex frame sliders. I don't know if we're going to get to all that stuff today, but let's get started with these wheels. I believe that when you're taking stuff apart and leaving it apart for a period of time, it's good to put all your bolts and nuts back in their home so you don't forget where they actually go. Front wheel done, let's move on to the rear. Now before anybody yells at me for using this, I don't have the proper nut for this, so what I'm going to do is take this nut off solely with this and then go take the nut to the store and buy the proper socket if we're going to put it back together again. Normally there's a cotter pin in here, but it's been previously removed. That is freaking tight. Before I pull the axle, I'm going to take the caliper off, because I guarantee it's going to end up being in the way. had to make my own tools. I had this old Allen key, ground it down, and I was able to get in. Made my own tool because I broke my little pick. So this is your seal, like, so dust can't get into your bearing. And I was able to get in underneath it and then pry it up. Because I was doing that with my little pick, but my little pick broke, so this is way better for doing that job. Not going to turn too many Allen keys with it anymore though. For those of you that tuned into episode 1, you may remember that this bike had been lowered and we put it back up to its proper ride height, but we did not torque these linkages down, and we're going to do that right now, and we'll throw on the new exhaust because it's I had to remove the other exhaust to get to these linkage bolts, and I didn't want to put the other exhaust back on because it's way too freaking heavy. So yeah, we're going to tighten that, new exhaust, and then carry on. And again, reminding everybody, when you're done with your torque wrench, turn it back to 0. Okay, so let's throw that exhaust on. Okay, so we took this exhaust off in episode 1, and I was hoping to put this one on, but the diameter is different, so I had to order a new exhaust, and I found this guy on eBay for next to nothing, which makes me pretty happy. As you can see, there's nothing for baffling in it. There we go. There's our big exhaust we got on there. Next, I'm going to pull up this kickstand. It's useless anyway. Ding! Somebody likes me. Next, I'm going to pull off this kickstand because it's useless anyway. It's been cut down too short. So, and well, for the track, it has to be either tied up or removed. So we're just going to remove it. Not much point in tying it up. It's useless. It's too short. You can't use it. So goodbye. I'm going to leave this for now, but eventually I'm going to cut this and then just tie the wires together. And there is a lot of chain oil all over that thing. Okay, the next step for us is to drain the oil out, and then we can get inside the engine here. Ooh, that was a close one. While that oil drains, let me show you where the oil filter is. Right up inside here. Isn't that absolutely a retarded spot? I would like to know the manufacturer or the engineer's, reason for doing that. Like why? I just don't understand. Do you think maybe the bike was dumped on gravel? What a bugger that one is. There we go. Well, we got the oil out, drain plugs back on. We're free to take the stator cover off, although I'm going to hold off on that for today. That took me so long to get that off. Unfortunately, I actually have to go. I have to be at a hockey tournament in about an hour, so I have to shut this one down for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of what I managed to get done. At least we got the wheels done, ready to go for powder coating. That's a bonus. That fairing to get off, I'm a pain in the butt. I'm pretty sure I wasn't attacking it from the right angle. Even as far as I got, I still don't see how the right angle is. I'm sure I'll figure it out by the end of this. Doesn't matter anyway, because it's not going back on. Race plastics. Anyway, remember my 3 rules. Ride safe, have fun, keep China side up. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button, help me out a bunch, and tune in next time for episode 3 of
track bike build, bike, ReBike series. Talk to you later. Peace out. Bye.